What's up guys? It's me, Richmond of Gadget Sidekick, and welcome back to my channel. Today guys, ipipick up na natin finally ang ating iPhone 14 Pro Max na nireserve natin sa Beyond the Box. And alam natin, no, it's quite a demand nung nag-launch to. Hindi actually ako nakapag-reserve, so it took a while kasi medyo konti lang stocks. So today, finally nandito tayo sa BGC. So 1 BGC, kukunin na natin finally ang ating iPhone 14 Pro Max. So tara, samahan niyo ako. So for today's vlog, gagamitin natin as our main driver is this one, si Xiaomi 12S Ultra, together with two wireless microphone na gusto natin i-try. And this one is from Comica. This is the Vimo S na Type-C port siya, no? Madali itong gamitin for any Android devices na supporting Type-C. And there's another variant nito which is a Lightning na support para sa mga Apple users. And of course, there's another one. Ito si Vimo C, and this one more geared towards sa mga camera, DSLR, pwede rin sa smartphones, and pwede rin sa inyong mga personal computer pang live streaming. So this one packs in more battery on the go, and definitely it's a little bit bigger compared to sa Vimo S. So ito try muna natin one of these devices. Try muna natin ito, si Vimo C. So for the connection nitong Vimo C natin, ang ating receiver, kakabit natin itong sa Type-C port ng ating Xiaomi 12S Ultra. Then sa kabila kakabit natin sa audio jack nitong transmitter natin. So ito, simple lang, i-clip lang natin to sa ating of course sa ating collar. Then makita natin magre-record na siya. And ayan, kita natin, no. It's connected. No, medyo malabo lang, no, kasi medyo glare ang araw. But it's easy to use. Dito pwede ka magkabit ng headphones, volume up and down. And this kabila is yung switch mo yung mode. Kung gusto mong single mic or dual mic, pwede mo i-switch. Very easy. And ito sa ilalim is of course yung charging terminal niya. On the other hand, this one is very easy to use. I-calibrate lang natin na mabuti. This one on-off para sa mic on and mic off. And of course, this one is a mode switch niya. And clip niya, very easy to use. Pakita ko sa inyo. So guys, ganito lang pag-clip nito, no? It's very easy to use, lalo if you're using it outdoors like what I'm doing right now. Pretty easy to use ang mga wireless microphone when you're doing outdoors, especially when doing interviews or just simply you're just vlogging on your own. This is probably one of the perfect device na gusto mong gamitin. Right now, gagamitin natin ating second device, si Vimo S. This one is more compact, and kita natin there's two microphones over here na super duper compact. And sobrang easy lang gamitin siya, no? Pag bunot mo, naka-on na siya by default. And this is just simple mode switch, and ito ang iyong clip. And the other one, ang iyong transmitter is nakatago dito sa likod. All you need to do is just slide it out. Type-C port na siya. Then, kakabit mo lang siya dito sa ilalim ng iyong smartphone. Then ito is just mode switch, and ito is simply volume rocker niya na dial. So, ito naman ang Vimo S. Pag kinabit natin, ganito itsura niya. Pretty smaller, way smaller compared sa Vimo C, which I think mas cute siya. Okay, so guys, right now, naglalakad tayo dito sa BGC, and it's been quite a few years na rin nang huling punta ko dito. We're right now at 1 Bonifacio or BGC, Bonifacio High. So, we're going our way all over to Beyond the Box. So, hanapin muna natin. No? So, right now, we're using the Vimo C in order to take this vlog. And just doing some quick sound check kung okay nga ba yung sounds natin. And if napipick up siya ng mga noise all around dito sa atin. So, yeah, we can see Nike. And, well, in a few moments, I guess, pakita na natin si Beyond the Box dito sa BGC. So right now we're recording at 4K and 60 FPS, just walking along dito sa Bonifacio High. And yung yung Beyond the Box is located at 1 Bonifacio High na mall. So it's on the 3rd floor. So parang adventure na rin, no? Go all our way there. So yun guys, dami natin nakita na, no? Tayo natin mag-zoom all the way. Christmas is quite festive na rin dito sa BGC. So i-zoom natin all the way up to 6X, and kita natin the star is still pretty clear dito sa aking point of view. Okay, let's zoom all the way back. So pababa tayo ng hagdan, no? Titingnan natin kung matagtag nga ba tong si Xiaomi 12S Ultra. But as far as I'm concerned, stable naman siya. Kahit gumagamit na ng 4K 60 FPS. So okay, I think yan na yung mall. Pupuntahan natin, no? Zoom natin all the way. Yan, para medyo mas malinaw para sa atin, no? So medyo shaky nga lang pag naglalakad ka using the 6x zoom na digital. But the best, pinakaklaro, up to 3 times zoom, medyo stable pa naman siya kahit papaano. So guys, right now, kinabit na natin ang ating Vimo S para i-try natin naman ang sound quality na itong wireless mic na ito by Comica. And by far, I believe na yung sound is pretty nice. And probably nagkakatalo lang siguro sa pag-pick up ng sound. So of course, pwede mo nang lagyan ng wind muff. Of course, definitely hindi ganun kaganda tingnan pag kinabit mo sa yung collar. Tawid lang muna tayo ng kalsada. So right now we're going up sa 1 Bonifacio Mall. And let's see kung nasaan si Beyond the Box dito. So yan guys, andito na tayo sa Digital Walker. Ang Beyond the Box pala nila is hidden inside this store. So makita natin from the outside, this is this small store ng Beyond the Box. So pasok tayo. Okay. Yan. Tingnan na natin kung ano mga ino-offer nila. So we have some Apple Watch here, iPhone 14, 14 Pro Max, iPad Pro, everything's here. Okay. And here are some accessories na pwede natin mabili for your iPhone. And of course, some of these recommended na buds, like si Apple AirPods Pro, si Beats Audio, some of the cases na might fit well. Ito, maganda. Apple Watch with Nike collab. Okay. Sports watch. And some of these MacBook na meron dito, MacBook Pro, MacBook Air. Okay. I like this color, guys. Ito. Looks nice. Okay. May Kate Spade pa ng mga bag do. Perfect for your Apple Gears. Tara, claim muna natin yung phone natin. So guys, bago natin claim ating phone, we have here some Marshall products. One of my favorite headphones na ginagamit ko for live vlogs, for live streams. Yan, okay yan. From Marshall. We also have some products from Tribit and some products from Momax. Then here, meron tayong mga products from Belkin. Yan, Anchor and Momax. Basically, some air purifier from Momax. And ito, one of the useful products is Qi charger, wireless charging. And nga pala guys, will be definitely very useful sa inyong mga iPhone device na walang plugs, walang adapters, since it doesn't come with one. G-Lite products is also on display over here. Yeah. Then we have a lot of cases dito, UAG cases for iPhones, and more air purifiers here for Momax. Then of course some robot vacuum. Tingnan natin sa kabila. We have some we also have some meron tayong mga product from Shox, from Adidas, and of course from Black Shark. Pati exam meron din sila. Sabat. Some product from Soundpeats, Earfun, and Jabra. iFrogs products. One more products. Okay. Then of course some products from Alan Plus, Braven. Then here, sobrang dami nito guys. Too many to mention. Mga tempered glass and of course cases for iPhones. Then here, kita natin there's a corner dito for Xiaomi products. Since si Digital Walker is also a authorized reseller ng Xiaomi products here. So we can see some robot vacuum over here, some Fitbit products, and some Black Shark products over here as well. Then there's some reading glasses here. And dito, some products from Hydrate Spark. Audio engine. Yan, gamit natin yan. Definitely good. Ang ganda ng sounds niya. Keyboard from mounting. Defunct. And of course, aftershocks. Then there's a lot of case dito available for your iPad. Then we can see na may scooter, Xiaomi, monitors. Then here are some product from Fitbit. And nothing Ear 1. Then here is of course nothing phone. Then last stop natin, pasyalin natin yung showroom ni Marshall para makompleto natin yung store tour dito sa Digital Walker here in BGC. So kita natin mga Marshall na products here, speakers. Wow. Ito yung gamit natin, Major 4. Definitely sound is absolutely definitely nice. So guys, finally nakuha na natin ang ating iPhone 14 Pro Max na ating pre-order nung nag-launch ang iPhone dito. And definitely I'm excited to show you what this phone can do. Just follow me and of course makita natin ang full unboxing and review nito iPhone 14 Pro Max. So guys, if you want to buy your products from Digital Walker and Beyond the Box dito sa BGC, and do follow me, do visit dito sa BGC sa 1 BGC Mall, 1 Bonifacio High Street Mall dito sa 3rd floor dito sa Digital Walker for iPhone needs and all your other accessories na binanggit ko dito sa video na ito. And of course guys, hanapin mo lang sila, no? Say hi guys. Hello. Sobrang friendly mga staff dito, no? So guys, if you want to visit dito, just give them a visit dito sa 1 BGC Mall here in BGC. Ilang beses ko sinabi BGC? Naparami. So guys, nakita na ang full tour natin dito sa Digital Walker to pick up our iPhone 14 Pro Max. And by far guys, gamitin natin ang Vimo S and Vimo C. And definitely, I'm quite happy and satisfied with the performance nitong dalawang wireless mic natin from Comica. And guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click that bell icon para hindi naman miss mga future uploads dito sa aking channel. So, ako pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick.